In this guide, I'm going to show you how to check your current password on Facebook. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, go ahead and tap on your profile and then you need to go ahead and select the three lines up in the top left. From here, go ahead and select the settings gear for, settings and privacy, and then select settings one more time, and you're going to be put into your settings and privacy section. You need to open up your account center up at the very top, so go ahead and select account center, and once you're in your account center, you need to go ahead and select change password. So open up password and security, and then hit change password just like so, and then select your Facebook account. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this, and Facebook will not show your actual password inside the app, but it may show you when the password was last changed. That can help you remember what it might be. If you still need to find it, you need to check your saved passwords. So go ahead and back out, and you need to open up a password manager. You can do this on your phone if you have an app for it, or you can also do it on Chrome, but essentially on an iPhone, and mine is currently saved in my passwords, I would just search up passwords, select it just like so. And then from here, I would just search for Facebook, select your account, and then of course you'll see that password in here as well. From here, you can copy paste it and you're good to go. That is the full process though. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.